Hello everyone, welcome back to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about UPSC CSE 2023 notification. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and be a part of our YouTube family. Don't skip, watch the video till the end. Candidates who are willing to download the official notification and read on your own, link has been provided in the description. You can go through it. Let's see the overview of this exam notification. As we know that the organization which is providing this exam is Union Public Service Commission and the exam name is Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2023. There are 1105 vacancies in this notification, and while looking to the application dates, application starting date is 1st February 2023. You can apply till 21st February 2023. Mode of application is online. You can apply through the official website which is upsc.gov.in. Let's see the important dates. Last date for receipt of application is 21st February 2023 and UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Exam date is 28th May 2023. Let's see the vacancy details. As we discussed in the above, there are 1105 vacancies in this notification and they are categorized by different types of categories. 37 vacancies for persons with benchmark disability candidates, 7 vacancies for blindness and low vision candidates, 5 vacancies for deaf and hard of hearing candidates, 15 vacancies for locomotor disability candidates, 10 vacancies for multiple disability candidates and 1031 vacancies for SC, ST, OBC, EWS candidates. And here they mention the post. They are Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Audit and Account Service Group A, Indian Civil Account Service Group A, Indian Corporate Law Service Group A, Indian Defence Account Service Group A, Indian Defence Executive Service, Indian Information Service, Indian Postal Service, Indian P&T Accounts and Finance Service, Indian Railway Protection Force Service, Indian Revenue Service, Indian Revenue Service in Income Tax, Indian Trade Service, Indian Railway Management Service, Armed Forces Headquarters, Civil Service, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Civil Service, Pondicherry Civil Service, Pondicherry Police Service. And while looking to the eligibility criteria, for the Indian Administrative Service, the Indian Foreign Service and the Indian Police Service, a candidate must be a citizen of India. For other services, a candidate must be either citizen of India or a subject of Nepal, a subject of Bhutan or a Tibetan. And while looking at the age limit, a candidate must be minimum of 21 years and should not exceed 32 years. Let's see the educational qualification. Candidates who are willing to apply for this exam must have a graduation degree from a recognized university or an equivalent qualification from a recognized university or institution. Let's see the selection process. Candidates who will be applied for this exam will be undergoing preliminary exam, and then who qualified in the preliminary exam will be undergoing through the mains examination and the interview. Let's see the application fees. All candidates are required to pay a fees of ₹100. Female, SC, ST, PWBD candidates are exempted from the payment of the application fees. This is all about UPSC notification 2023. Candidates who are willing to apply for this post, official website link has been provided in the description. You can apply from there. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.